Hey guys, I've seen a lot of people doing the bulb replacement videos, but nobody really showing how to change these parking lights, which are kind of ugly from stock. So I'm going to show you where those are at. Of course, this is where the HID housing is, but directly on the other side of it, let's see if I can show it here. Let's turn the phone here. Right in here, there's right here. So here's the HID housing, and following my finger here, there's another little dust cover over here. You see the wire sticking out, and you twist that to the left, and it'll reveal where those lights are at. All right, and then you can pull that out. There's you squeeze the prongs. There's a left and a right. You squeeze those, and it'll come out, and there's your bulb, and you can put your LED or whatever kind of bulb you want on there to switch those out. All right, and then afterwards, you have the 6000K or whatever model HID and LED you went with. I still haven't switched my HID to 6000K because the bulbs they sent didn't work. So I got to do that still. But anyway, that's a quick little tutorial on how to switch the parking lights. Of course, you just take the wheel off. It's easiest to get to that and all the black paneling there. But yep, there it is. Hope that helps somebody.